Welcome back to Tax Tank Tutorials. In this video, we are going to show you how to create and use custom personal categories. Please note that custom categories are only available for personal income and expenses, as these don't affect the tax summary. Adding custom personal categories can be actioned from the budgeting widget on the dashboard and when allocating transactions and bank feeds. First, we will show you how to do this from the dashboard. Simply click the edit icon in the budget widget. Select the Manage Custom button. Add the name of the personal category and select whether it's an income or expense item. Click Save when you're done. You will now see your custom personal category on the left-hand side. You can edit or delete the category at any time before you allocate any transactions. To edit, select the category and then make any adjustments on the right-hand side of the pop-up and click Save. To delete, simply click on the bin icon. You can add as many personal categories as you like. To allocate transactions to a custom personal category, head to Bank Feeds, select the bank and transaction, click the personal icon, select the category, and click Allocate. Once transactions have been allocated to the category, you will only be able to edit the name or item type. If you want to add or edit a custom personal category from bank feeds, simply click Manage Custom and make your changes in the pop-up. And now we will allocate a few more transactions to show you how easy it is. You can also manage your budgeting for these categories on the dashboard to ensure you're on track for your financial goals. That brings us to the end of this tutorial. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out or explore our support articles and videos for further assistance.